Do you wonder what makes the students from IITs, Stanford, Harvard, the best colleges of the world, most sought after by the industry? And why most of the engineering colleges in India struggle to get their students placed in any industry? In this quick short video, which is dedicated to you and your parents, I will be sharing what is the difference and how a student from any engineering college can cover that difference with Capabl scholarship which we are offering to the students. I am Umang Surana, co-founder of Capabl and a graduate from IIT Madras. Hence, I understand what an IIT student goes through and what the ecosystem is. The students from the best colleges have access to very key things like exposure to industry and projects with professors related to industry, something that is missing completely in most of the colleges. Then the other big thing is the like-minded community that always helps them, be it projects, be it competitions, be it events, to participate and to learn with them. At Capabl, we are trying to bring the similar ecosystem which helps you learn from the best industrial projects which you can get in the events and competitions. You can practice them so that your resume speaks for yourself and industry wants to hire you.
I got about 4 companies where I got placed, the best among them being Tata Advanced Systems.
High Tech Next.
I have received one confirmation of which is a Bentork Industries LLP in Pune.
Hello sir, I am Akash Bala. I am from Raiganj, Uttar Dinajpur, West Bengal, and I am currently pursuing BTech in Mechanical Engineering Department from Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College.
I'm Shashank and I'm from Maharaja Ganj Institute of Technology. I'm pursuing my 3rd year in Mechanical with Automation branch.
Yeah, myself Avnash Reddy, and I'm from Veltech University, which is Chennai, but I live in Hyderabad. I'm a CSE student, but I'm interested in data science.
Good evening, I'm LNK Dharaneja. I'm a 4th year pre-mechanical student at MBSREC in Hyderabad.
I'm Nikhil Joshi. I'm a pass out graduate from RMD SSOE, Varje. Pass out year is 2020.
The CTG program briefed me out about basic of the vehicle dynamics, that is the chassis design and the steering mechanism, which I was not told in my basic theory subjects of the engineering.
I am doing now the Dynamics of Vehicle program, and I already did a course on CFD, Computational Fluid Dynamics, and FEF, Finite Element Method. Elaborate the course and teaches us first, and then we have to apply the what we learned.
Yeah, actually, I don't know nothing before. When I came to here, just basics of Python and data types like that. And here I got a Pandas module and NumPy, some image processing, everything I got. Yeah, I'm pretty good now. Actually, I can say an intermediate.
We had recorded videos and it covered everything from basic simulations to motors to turbines to using answers for simulations. We were given few geometries which we were asked to simulate. We had weekly tests.
Worked on MATLAB Simulink, which was an excellent experience. Like a project was given in the internship that you have to do a project on Ether 450X battery. We have design calculations and it was a great experience.
Engine comparison, in which I learned about the Porsche and a Corvette engine comparison.
And in CFD portion, they deliver some knowledge about helicopter and drone also. That was very good, very good.
I'm at 2nd year, I think so, that time.
Okay.
So I thought it is a good time to take the course and let's begin the career.
Actually, sir, college they did not teach all of the required. So you have to extraordinary from others.
The course was good. It gave me the knowledge which was at least out of my curriculum. It introduced me to the wide forum. It was good. I liked the way it was briefed up. It was not a long and tedious one where we had to work a lot. And for that, that being said, it was not very, this thing also that we did not study at all. It had the right amount of content and the right amount of work. So that way it helped me knowing about CFD better.
Yes, I would like to give a message that you must learn daily, because it's not like you have done engineering is not the end. Like you need to grab some online courses which will upgrade your knowledge as well.
I can say someone that that how it is work, and they also say, that is great. Where did you get it? So yes, it's very confidence. Like
It's now means it's very good that I'm the part of ATG and everything is going very well.
Be it higher studies, jobs, or anything you want to achieve in your career, we are always there. Be the part of the world's best online ecosystem that makes you feel like that you are always in touch with the industry. Thank you.